Google Assistant is getting better at visuals at the company's developer conference, Google I/O. They launched a whole bunch of updates. They've got a release date for smart displays. They have new integrations on the phone. They have Google Maps updates, and they have customized routines. So I'm going to start with Google Maps because this update is really pretty cool. Not only can you talk to your phone when you're in navigation now, so while you're driving somewhere, you can say, "Hey Google, read me my text messages."
You've got one new message. It's from Nick Leist on Messages. It says, "Hi, when will you get here?"
But then you can respond with the simple command, "Share my ETA."
Letting Nick Leist know you're 9 minutes away. That was the last one.
And Google will pull that info from your navigation and send it to the person you're having a conversation with. Now, when you talk to Google Assistant on your phone, you can actually swipe up on the interface and it'll show you a proactive screen about your day. It can have your calendar info, it can have your route to work, it can have the weather. Things you need to know and things you like will be pulled right into the feature, so you get a very customized Google Assistant screen. The Assistant screen will also be a little bit richer. Pictures will be bigger and take up more of the phone screen, and you get these rich smart home controls that'll pop up. And speaking of smart home stuff, Google is finally unlocking the potential of its routines, and now they're going to be fully customizable. You can have a routine for dinner time, you can have a routine for time for the Red Wings game, you can have a routine for whatever you want. So I'm excited to play around with some of those custom routines. I'm also excited to play with Google's updated smart displays with a cool couple of extra features. One, you can customize the ambient screen on your display so it'll pull up a clock or a map or the weather when you're not using it for a while. Two, Google's opening up the displays so third parties can create more rich experiences like choose your own adventure games. And then three, the smart displays are getting YouTube TV. So Google Assistant's always been good at interacting with your voice. As of I/O, it's going to get a lot better at displaying information visually.